It's nail mail time, people. I believe this is some of my Black Friday wonderfulness that I got from Maniology. So this is a nail mail haul. Let's go ahead and get this stuff out. This is a kit box. No idea what that is. We'll explore that in a minute. We have, oh, are you kidding? I forgot I ordered the Mythos collection for the, what is this called? Nail polishes. So there's a set of 6 in here. So that's amazeballs. What is this? Finally, I got my new Mini, Lotus Mini and Go. So I can replace, this is the old Bundle Monster one. I'm going to start replacing this in my videos. I got, oh yay, I was excited about this one. This is the Spruced Up Stamping Starter Kit. I'll do a whole separate video on this. Faux show. Faux show. I got, oh, this is, well, let me get this one first and then I'll explain that one. I got a new detail brush. Super excited about this. This was number 101. So we will be checking that out as well. And I got several plates. So let me see, I've got, oh, this is weird. It didn't even come in a sleeve. CLE plate. What is this one? Oh, this is like a New Year's theme. Wasn't there a mistake on this one? I think I might have gotten this one at a big discount because I think there was a mistake on it. If I find it, I'll put it somewhere in the description or in the video somewhere. And then I got several other plates. What is this one? I got BMXL213 that has stars. Oh, this is the, it's like stars and constellation. So this will be fun to go ahead and make constellation designs a little bit easier. This one I thought was adorbs. This is Classic Beauty. One of the Classic Beauties that they had, it was out of stock, so I couldn't get it. But I also thought that this one was really nice as well. Some just traditional, very easy designs that are going to go with pretty much anything. So I liked that. And then I have a plate that's M047, Shine, Sparkle, Girl. Oh, this is, I think, a Girl Power one. You got this. I am totally a positive person, and I believe that what you put out into the universe, it comes back at you. So, girl, you know I want to, like, put that positivity out there. Oh, my gosh. Feminist AF. Girls run the world. This is going to be great. So, this is a fun one. And another one, this is Maniology M05a. I am a teacher, people, so I needed to have this plate. I don't know why I didn't already have it. So it's got my notebook paper, my spiral paper. This is like the front of one of those composition books, and crayons and pencils and teacher stuff. Oh my. So yay, yay, yay. And then finally, I'm excited about this, y'all. It's my mystery set. So let's just open this up and see what's in it. So you guys are getting all kinds of fun. So this is $6 for a plate and a plate and a polish. So I don't have this plate. Yay! The last one that I did, I had the plate and the polish. So I don't have this one yet. This is really cool. M107 Dream Big. Again, positivity. Hey, love it. Love it. Okay, and the polish. Oh, I'm not real sure what the odds are that I don't have it, but I mean, I probably do. I don't think I have this one. I'm so excited. This one's called Dust. It's a gorgeous, like just flat dab, gorgeous blue color. I love it, and I'm pretty sure I do not have this color yet. So, yeah, there's that. Let's go ahead and open the Mythos Polishes. Let's do that next. This is, like I said, a set of 6, and I could not decide. I think I got 30% off of all of this stuff. I'll also post the prices on everything and how much I actually paid for it. So here's how they package their stuff. They usually do a really good job of packaging things. So here are the colors. And I am super excited about these. I don't think I have any of these. I'm gonna swatch them and put a picture somewhere up here for you guys so you can see what the swatches look like as well. Oh my goodness. There's our first one. Okay. Gorgeous. Our next one. Indicon. And then we've got, oh, I needed a good red. This is going to be a good red. This one's Red Sea. Okay. Oh, that is really pretty. I definitely don't have that color yet. Gorgeous. Okay, next color is a pretty, pretty green. Oh my gosh. There we go. Pretty green, pretty green. And then one more. I might have this color, but I don't think I do. I did kind of need some earthy tones, so these are our colors. And like I said, I'll put some swatch picture in there as well. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's open up my Lotus Mini so you guys can see that. Super excited to have this one. I thought it was a set, but maybe it wasn't. Oh yeah, it's a set. Oh my gosh, it's a mini and a mini mini. So I'll give the dimensions of these. So here's this one, the Lotus Mini. But then there's, you guys, there's a tinier mini. Look at this one. Eee, it's like a super mini. Maybe I'll use this one for my, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll put the dimensions so you guys can see, but already, so I've centered one inside of the other, and you can see that the mini is actually quite a bit bigger than the mini mini. The Lotus Go. Okay, so this one, the bigger one's called the Lotus Mini, and then this is the Lotus Go. And man, that would be easy to take with you and go. So super excited about that. Good, good, great. Last on our list is some kind of bundle thing. I don't know what this is. A kit box? What is a kit box? What did I do, you guys? What did I do? Oh, this is one of the sets that they offered. Oh my gosh, Morning Glory set of stamping polishes. You guys, I went a little crazy. Okay, let me open these up and then I'll show you the plates. Okay, put the plates out of the way. Okay, oh wow. Oh my gosh, they're even prettier than in the pictures. Oh my gosh. Delphinium, Petunia, and Daffodil. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to stamp these. Once again, I'll show you what the pictures of those look like up here somewhere. I don't know. Really, really pretty. I wonder how those shimmers are going to come through. Super excited about that. I don't remember what stamping. What kit was this? I don't really know. Let me see if I can find out for you guys while I'm showing you the pictures as well. Okay, this was Maniology M05a. Oh, you got clouds on there and all kinds of raindrops and beautifulness. Okay, and then we've got, oh yes, this is the one why I got this whole kit for, you guys, and I'm so glad I got the whole kit now. This is the B plate, M093. I saw so many people using this very cute B plate, and I just couldn't wait to have it myself. So, so exciting, so exciting, so exciting. And, oh, and this one was a great plate as well. This is a floral layered stamping. Gorgeous. People, this is quite a thing here. Contest, CYO Contest 2019 Floral Bundle. So it's a floral bundle. Thank you, Maniology. Thanks for having such a great deal on all of that stuff. I'll post a picture right here so you guys can see all of the stuff that I have. What a great haul. Thank you, Maniology, for the amazing sale. And you guys, wow. I do hope that you liked this nail mail haul. I do hope that you liked all all the fun stuff and the polishes and all, just, oh my gosh, there's so much. And I'll be doing some separate videos on some of these things. So Maniology, another home run. People, I do hope that you will go to maniology.com and use my code GrooveMama for 10% off, unless you find a wonderful sale at Maniology, which they often have. But if not, you can get 10% off of your order with GrooveMama, and follow me on Instagram at GrooveMama. Like this video, subscribe. It's okay, just do it. And until we meet again, I hope you decorate every nail you got. Bye!